Hey mathematicians, this is Mrs. Kinnear. I am the STEM coach for the intermediate level and I have a challenge for you. The first time I saw this challenge was in a Joe Boller book called Mathematical Mindsets, and I've seen it in a few other places since. It's called the 4 fours. Now to do this challenge, you're going to want to take a piece of paper. You can start by numbering 1 through 20. You can go higher than 20 if you want, so if you really get engaged with this challenge, you're welcome to try to go beyond 20. But you can start with that. And basically the challenge is, can you express each of those values using exactly 4 fours? For example, if you wanted to write the number 1, 1 can be written as 4 fourths. So for example, you could do 4 fourths times 4 fourths, and that's still 1. Okay, so I used exactly 4 fours to create that value of 1. Okay, so I have an example for you, and I picked the number 13 because it tends to be not a super popular one. So I did 4 factorial. Now you may know factorial means, in this case, 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 factorial, for example, would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's what factorial means. I have 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24, divided by the square root of 4, which is 2. So 24 divided by the square root of 4. 24 divided by 2 is 12, plus 4 fourths, which is 1. So this whole expression is equal to 13. So you can use mine if you want, or you can come up with a different way to write 13. So you see how I came up with a way to express the number 13 using exactly 4 fours. So see how many of these numbers you can get from 1 through 20, and if you get all of those, see if you can go beyond 20.